Wakarimasu, 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 meaning understand. Watashi wa setsumei ga wakarimasu, meaning I understand the explanation. Arimasu, 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 meaning have. Teburu no ue ni hon ga arimasu, meaning there is a book on the table. Suki, 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 meaning like. Sushi o taberu no ga suki desu, meaning I like to eat sushi. Kirai, 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 meaning dislike. Yasai ga kirai desu, meaning I dislike vegetables. Jouzu, 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 meaning good at. Kare wa piano o hiku no ga jouzu desu, meaning he is good at playing piano. Heta, 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 meaning poor at. Kanojo wa utau no ga heta desu, meaning she is not good at singing. Ryori, 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 meaning dish, cooked food ya cooking. Tomodachi to issho ni ryori suru no ga tanoshi desu, meaning I enjoy cooking with my friends. Nomimono, 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 meaning drinks. Nomimono ga nomitai desu, meaning I want a drink or a beverage. Supotsu, sports, sports, meaning sports. Samazama na sports o tanoshinde imasu, meaning I enjoy playing various sports. Sports o Samazama means various. Sports o shimasu, meaning play sports. Kare wa maishu ni sports o shimasu, meaning he play sports every weekend. Yakiyu, yakyu, yakyu, meaning baseball. Watashi wa yoku yakyu no shiai o mimasu, meaning I often watch baseball games. Yakyu o shimasu, yakyu o shimasu, meaning play baseball. Kanojo wa yakyu o shimasu, meaning she plays baseball. Dansu, 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 and dansu o shimasu, dansu o shimasu, meaning dance. Watashi tachi wa atarashi dansu o oboemashita, meaning we learned a new dance. Ongaku, 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 meaning music. Watashi wa kurashiku ongaku ga suki desu, meaning I like classical music. Uta, 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 meaning song. Kanojo wa utsukushi uta o utaimasu, meaning she sings a beautiful song. Kurashiku, 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 meaning classical music. Watashi wa kurashiku ongaku ga suki desu, meaning I like classical music. Jazu, 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 meaning jazz. Kare wa yoru ni jazu o kiku no ga tanoshi desu, meaning he enjoys listening to jazz at night. Konsato, 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 meaning concert. Consato no tame ni ticketto o kaimashita, meaning I bought tickets for the concert. Karaoke, 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 meaning karaoke. Karaoke is basically something where you book a room, go with your friends and sing different songs. Okay, so let's see the word meanings. Konshu, Konshu mats ni karaoke ni iko, meaning let's go to karaoke this weekend. Then we have kabuki, 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 meaning kabuki, traditional Japanese musical drama. Okay, kabuki no bunkai wa mio desu, meaning kabuki performances are fascinating. A meaning picture या drawing. Kanojo wa subarashi e o kakimasu, means she draws amazing pictures. G meaning letter या character. Kore wa hiragana no G desu, meaning this is the hiragana character. Kanji, meaning Chinese characters. Takusan no kanji o shitte imasu, meaning I can recognize many kanji characters. Hiragana, meaning hiragana script. Shoshinsha wa hiragana kara hajimemasu. Shoshinsha means beginners who started something to learn, okay, or practice. So Shoshinsha means beginners. So meaning of the sentence is beginners start with learning hiragana. Then we have katakana, meaning katakana script. Kare wa katakana o kaku renshu shitte imasu, meaning he is practicing writing katakana. Romaji, meaning Roman alphabets. Anata wa romaji o yomemasu ka, meaning can you read Roman alphabets? Then we have komakai okane, meaning small change. Okay, basu ni sukau komakai okane ga hitsuyo desu, meaning I need some small change for the bus. Tiketto, meaning ticket. Eiga no tiketto wa kaimashita ka, meaning did you buy ticket for the movie? Then we have jikan, meaning time. Watashi tachi no kaigi wa nan jikan desu ka, meaning what time is our meeting? Then we have youji, meaning something to do or errand. Watashi ni wa sukoshi youji ga arimasu, meaning I have a few errands to run. Yakusoku, meaning promise. Yakusoku o mamorimashou, meaning let's keep our promise to meet. Goshujin, meaning someone else's husband. Kanojo no goshujin wa Tokyo de wa hataraite imasu, meaning her husband works in Tokyo. Otto and Shujin, meaning my husband. Watashi no otto wa sensei desu, meaning my husband is a teacher. Oku-san, 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 meaning someone else's wife. Kare no Oku-san wa kan gofu desu, meaning his wife is a nurse. Suma, Suma, and Kanai, 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 meaning my wife. Watashi no suma wa hon o yomu koto ga suki desu, meaning my wife likes to read books. Kodomo, 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 meaning child. Okay. Kodomo tachi wa kouen de asobimasu, meaning children play in the park. Yoku, 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 meaning well, much. Watashi wa eigo o yoku wakarimasu, meaning I understand English very well. Dai tai, Dai tai, meaning mostly या roughly. Dai tai mainichi rokuji ni okimasu, meaning I usually wake up at 6 every day. Taku-san, 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 meaning many या much. Watashi tachi no toshokan ni wa takusan no hon ga arimasu, meaning we have lot of books, we have many books in our library. Toshokans mean library. Sukoshi, 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 meaning a little या a few. Sukoshi o yasumi nasai, meaning rest a little, take a break. Zen, 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 meaning not at all, used with negatives. Kyo wa zenzen isogashi kunai, meaning I am not busy at all today. Hayaku, 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 meaning early, quick या fast. Hayaku kaeri tai means I want to go home quickly. Nani nani kara, 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 meaning because. Kotsu ga ita kara okuremashita. Kotsu means traffic. Because of traffic, I am late. Yeah, I am late because of the traffic. Doshite, 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 meaning why. Doshite naitei runo, doshite naitei runo, meaning why are you crying. Zannen desu, zannen desu, zannen desu, meaning I am sorry to hear that. Yeah, that's a pity. Kanojo ga kite kure na kute, zannen desu, meaning it's unfortunate that she cannot come, yeah, that she can't come. कीते कुरे ना कुते बेसिकली हायर लेवल फॉर्म है जो आप आगे आने वाले लेवल्स में पढ़ोगे, तो अभी के लिए आप बस इतना समझ लो कि इसका मतलब है शी कांट कम. सुमिमासेन, 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 मीनिंग आई एम सॉरी. सुमिमासेन वाताशी नो होन देसु, meaning I am sorry, it's my book. Moshi moshi, moshi moshi, moshi moshi, meaning hello, used on phone. Moshi moshi dare kaimasu ka, meaning hello, is anyone there, asking on cell phone. Ah, ah, मीनिंग ओ आ यात्तो वकारी मास्ता मीन्स आई फाइनली अंडरस्टूड. 一緒にいかがですか? Meaning, won't you join me? या us. या won't you join us? Okay. So basically, this is an expression which is used when you ask someone to join you or join your group. Like for example, would you like to go out together? Okay. नानी नानी वा चोतो. ठीक है. मीनिंग इट्स अ बिट डिफिकल्ट. इट्स एन एक्सप्रेशन कि ये थोड़ा मुश्किल है या इट इज अ लिटिल बिट डिफिकल्ट फॉर मी. ओके. एग्जाम्पल, कोनो शिकोतो वा चोतो मुजुकाशी देस मीन्स दिस टास्क इज अ बिट डिफिकल्ट. दामे देस्का. दामे देस्का सो यू कैनॉट कम. सो यू कैनॉट बेसिकली एग्जाम्पल के तौर पर इसे कम हो गया. ठीक है. सो कोरे वा दामे देस्का, तो पूछ रहा है, इट इज आस्किंग इज इट नॉट अलाउड. माता कोंदो ओनेगाई शिमास. माता कोंदो ओनेगाई शिमास meaning please ask me again some other time. Basically, this is an expression which is used to refusing an invitation, which is used to refuse an invitation indirectly, considering someone's feeling. मतलब किसी और की भावनाओं का ध्यान में रखते हुए किसी को मना करना इस तरीके से कि उसको बुरा भी ना लगे. ठीक है. So this is it for today's lesson, guys. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe the channel if you like the content. Thank you, guys.